Creating support videos for your customers might seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we're going to break down the essential steps you need to follow to create short, effective, and impactful support videos that address your customers' needs efficiently. The first step is asking the right question. What is my customer contacting me about? Begin by identifying the most frequent issues your customers are reaching out to you about. Are there one or two topics that make up the majority of your customer contacts? Focusing on these first is crucial. From there, work backwards from the highest volume queries to the lowest. The goal is to create self-help videos that walk customers through resolving these common issues quickly and effectively. Think about how these videos can empower your customers. Are there simple steps or easy-to-understand solutions that can help them solve problems without contacting support? If so, use that as your starting point. The next question to ask yourself is, what does my customer need to know to use my products and services? Think about onboarding. Are there installation guides or getting started tutorials that would make the process smoother? Consider showing customers the tools, tips, or techniques that will help them maximize your product's value. Additionally, if you've released new features, this is the perfect opportunity to create videos that keep customers informed and empowered. Lastly, think about the information you need to share with your customers. This is often content that doesn't address direct queries but helps build a well-rounded support ecosystem. Keep in mind, though, that these topics might not be high on your customer's search list. Just because it isn't being requested doesn't mean it's not valuable. However, be sure to justify why you're creating these videos and how they fit into your broader support strategy. When creating these videos, remember, short is better. Ideally, aim for under 3 minutes, but if you can keep it under 1.5 minutes, that's even better. Also, customers want quick, actionable information, so make sure you're not adding unnecessary fluff content. And finally, a lot of companies like to have big flashy intro and exit sequences to display their branding. This does not provide value for the customer and often turns them away. Just flash your logo and move on. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and steps around managing your business YouTube channel.